Hey guys, welcome back to yet another vlog. Today we are riding to Tirtahahalli near Chikmagalur from Bangalore. I'm already running late. I should have been met the team by 6 but woke up late as usual. And this is the bike which I will be riding today. We will be taking Bangalore to Hassan Highway till Arsikere Road. From Arsikere we will go to Bhadravati Dam. We will spend some time over there, then we will head to Tirthahalli where stay has been arranged for Saturday night. Today evening we will be heading to Sunset Point, which is a nearby homestay. Tomorrow we are planning to visit nearby waterfall, then we will be heading back to Bangalore from homestay directly. Okay, now we had a breakfast at Tirtahalli near Kunigal, which is on the Bangalore Hassan Highway. We have entered the Arsikere Road after exiting the Bangalore Hassan Highway. Current condition of the Arsikere Road you can see in the video. It is quite wonderful and you will really enjoy the ride. As of now, I am not able to see any potholes on the road, and it's quite easily you can reach 100 km per hour on this road. I'm not promoting any high speed ride over here. Sorry guys, there was some issue while mounting my cam to helmet, and due to which I was not able to capture the entire road and the view which was on the highway. This road has awesome views of the mountains and trees on the roadside. You will really enjoy riding the bike on this road. Okay guys, here we reach Bhadravati Dam, which is constructed on the river Bhadra. You can Google it out and you can find out the history more. I am not going to get into the history of the Bhadravati Dam. Don't misjudge me by seeing the cops in the video. Currently in Karnataka there is a state election is going on, due to which there were multiple checkpoints established by election commission. So this was the kind of checking they were carrying out, and they were filming the entire the process of checking the vehicles. next 30 seconds of the video part you can skip. There is a biggest tragedy of my life. Let me explain you guys what exactly happened. We are riding in a team and one of our team member was behind me and he tried to overtake me at a blind spot on the road, due to which he was not able to see a wooden log which was on the road. Since we were riding at a high speed and the guy who was overtaking me could not change his bike and he just rode over that wooden log. So that wooden log bounced from his rear wheel and it got hit my leg, due to which my entire nail got damaged and I was not able to ride further from there. It entirely ruined my this trip. So post this accident, I will not call it as an accident, I will call it as a mishappen. It converted me from rider to a backup vehicle passenger. Guys, please wear proper gears on the rides when you are driving on through a forest or on the highway at top speed. It will save you a lot from the damage even if you met with a mishappen or an accident. If you guys see my video, I was in a proper gear except my riding shoes. Now I have decided to purchase the riding shoes as well. Currently I am in the search of these shoes. Please let me know if you know any of the nice riding shoes and please comment it down so that I can go and purchase it. Rest of the video are taken from the backup vehicle. Sorry for the short video, and due to this mishappen my entire trip got ruined and all my plan got cancelled until I will recover. My video. If you like the video, please give a big thumbs up, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Throttle Rider for more videos on rides.